You see someone yawn, and suddenly you have to yawn too. Why is yawning so contagious? When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of air that cools your brain and gives your body a quick oxygen boost. That's why it usually happens when you're tired, bored, or overheated. But here's the weird part. Yawning spreads like a virus. One person starts and the whole room follows. Scientists think it's all about empathy and mirror neurons, brain cells that make us subconsciously mimic others. In one study, people with autism, who often struggle to read emotional cues, didn't catch yawns from others, even though they yawned naturally on their own. So when we yawn after seeing someone else do it, it's actually a sign of emotional connection. It's like our brains saying, "Hey, I feel you." So next time you start a yawning chain reaction in class or at work, remember, that's empathy in action, and that's baby science for you.